I never thought I'd be so passionate about eyeliner. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite products that I discovered in January. If you are interested at all in great beauty products, some great hair tools, great book, and more, keep watching. Okay guys, so my first product of this video is actually the shirt I'm wearing. This shirt is from boohoo.com. I'll have it linked down below, but it says when life gives you curves, flaunt them. And I have to say, this is just my mood for 2020. It is the vibe we're going with. It's my motto, all of the above. As a lot of you know, I've mentioned in my past videos that I am on a weight loss journey right now. And while I am trying to lose weight, I'm only trying to lose weight for my health and my mental health. I'm not trying to lose weight to be thin or to lose my curves. Right now, I'm really embracing the body God gave me and really working on loving it. So this shirt was just like the cherry on top of my whole mission and goal for 2020, which is just embracing myself and loving every part of me. Okay guys, so the second product I want to share with you is actually a book, and this book is called Modern Love. You might have heard of it. It is a podcast as well as a show on Amazon Prime, and it is a book filled with essays about love, whether it's romantic or platonic or, you know, all of the above, every kind of love you can think of. People have written essays in here, and some of them are funny, some of them are sad. I just think they're all so well written. And basically all these essays come from the New York Times Modern Love column. I feel like I could talk about this book forever. I really can get bored with a book easily, and so I love essays because I feel like it keeps my attention, and all of these stories are just so good and so well written. So highly recommend this book right here. So the next product we're gonna be talking about is kind of gonna open the door into like all the health and wellness and beauty products that I have for you guys. That is the majority of what I'm sharing with you all. And it's really been important to me going into 2020 to really take care of myself physically and mentally. And I, really have prioritized my skincare, taking a lot of vitamins, all the things that I used to not do. I feel like as I'm getting a little bit older, I'm just realizing that those things make the biggest difference, especially in your mental health. If you feel like you look good, you feel like you're healthy, like it just helps so much. Just to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, so I have been having digestion issues for about 4 or 5 months now. Basically just like going to bed with stomach cramps, or I was waking up every single morning feeling so bloated, and was having just a lot of hard times eating. Like after I would eat, I would get stomach cramps, don't need to go into all the details. Basically, I was like, okay, I want to try something. Like either I tried probiotics and they weren't really doing anything, and I was like, okay, what can I try? And so I was 100% influenced by an ad on Instagram, and I'm okay with that. But I was influenced by Lo Bosworth, and if you guys have watched Laguna Beach or The Hills, you know who that is. I love her, and she founded this company called Love Wellness, and basically it is a company all about women's health and supplements that are going to help you in like so many different areas of your life. And so for me, I have really focused on the digestion supplements that they have. So I actually use about 3 of their supplements, but one of them I'm out of, and I will just give like a little bit of information about it. Basically, I don't remember the exact name of it. I know it comes in a light blue bottle. Probably should have written that down, but I already reordered it, so I'm really excited for it to come back in. But basically, it is a supplement all about de-bloating, and I cannot emphasize how much I love this product enough. Like, I wish I had it right here with me, but basically, I used to wake up every morning feeling bloated, and after taking this supplement at night, that is no longer a thing. I wake up feeling like very normal. I don't feel like my stomach is just like out to here. Like amazing. So the 2 products I do have with me are the Metabolove, which this one is all about your metabolism. I just naturally have a slow metabolism. It's just something that I deal with. I think it's genetics. I take 2 of these in the morning, and I feel like what it does is it doesn't make me snack as much. Like, I don't know if that's the science behind it or what, but I really feel full for a lot longer. And I have definitely noticed that this has given my weight loss journey an extra boost that it needed. The 3rd supplement that I use from Love Wellness is their Sparkle Fiber supplement, and I have to say, well, first, the packaging is just adorable. I mean, I love sparkles, so I'm all about this. Basically what Sparkle Fiber does is it's a combination of organic veggies mixed with digestion enzymes, and those help you de-bloat, keep your insides happy, healthy weight management, like all the things you could want right here. And a big part of this too is I realized like, oh, maybe I wasn't getting enough fiber before, but now I don't have to worry about that because just taking 3 of these at night has been the easiest thing ever. Yes. So real quick, we're gonna go into skincare. I don't have a ton for skincare just because I really am one of those girls that when I find something I love, I just stick with it. And so I haven't had a lot of new products come up, but in the last month, I really have loved using BeautyCounter. BeautyCounter, if you don't know, is a whole skincare makeup company based on clean beauty. And so they don't use like, I think it's like 1,800 chemicals that they don't use that a lot of other brands use that are like really harmful for your health, which is just nuts. I mean, I never even thought about, I hate saying this, but when I would put my makeup on, I never thought about what I was like actually putting on my face. You know, it just doesn't, it's not something that I ever thought of. So I use the BeautyCounter charcoal mask, and I first discovered this because one of my good friends had it and we were at a bachelorette party and she showed it around. She's actually a BeautyCounter consultant, and I remember being like, okay, I want to try that. And after ordering it, I have to say this is probably one of my favorite masks I've ever used, which is a really big statement. But I just feel like this actually makes a difference, because sometimes I feel like we use masks just because they're fun and you want to do self-care and all of the above, but like if you're actually looking for something to help your skin and like actually, if you have acne or you have whatever, I highly recommend this. And then the second product I recommend, which is a night cream, is the BeautyCounter Counter Match Recovery Sleeping Cream. And I'm one of those girls, I don't like things to feel heavy on my skin. I really like light moisturizers. And so for me, having dry skin, but also wanting a good like night cream, the sleeping cream has been such a game changer. It is so light, but I definitely feel like my skin is moisturized. Cannot recommend this product more. Okay, so moving right along with beauty and wellness, I have 2 products that I picked up from Sephora the other day. And I will say, while I am trying to be clean about my beauty, there are just some things that I just can't not try, Obviously, Rihanna is just like the queen, but I had never tried her company, Fenty Beauty. I never tried any of her makeup. I didn't know much about it. But the other day I went to Sephora and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna check it out, see what it's like. I heard it was amazing. And so had not heard one bad review. So one of my favorite things to do when I go to Sephora or Ulta or whatever and I want to try a new product is I will buy it in the travel size, and that way I don't have to commit to buying a full bottle, and then if I hate it, I feel guilty because I spent all the money and I have the full bottle and I was going into Sephora to buy an eyeliner from Fenty Beauty, but I walked out with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Let me just tell you guys, this might be my favorite thing of this whole haul. It is so moisturizing. I feel like when I put it on, it's just like, I don't know, I love putting it on. And I put it on underneath my foundation, and I ended up taking a picture, and I looked at my skin, I zoomed in, and I was like, I look airbrushed. That's insane. But also, it looks very natural. I don't know. This is the first primer I have ever used where I've been like, whoa, that did something. Honestly, could just, you guys know me, I like to talk, I can't stop, especially when I love something. So I'm gonna stop with this now because it's gonna go for a long time. This primer, life-changing, go buy it. So my second product from Sephora and beauty product for you guys is this Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I was looking for a good black eyeliner, and when I went to Sephora, I obviously went up to Fenty Beauty because I had heard that their eyeliner was amazing, and let's just say it has changed my life. This eyeliner, I never thought I'd be so passionate about eyeliner. This eyeliner glides on like butter, like Paula Deen butter. Like this eyeliner, obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. It is so worth the money. It is just the best. Probably one of the best eyeliners I have ever used. After rambling on about beauty for about 30 minutes, I'm now gonna finish this video with some hair products that I have been so excited to share with you guys. These are the 2 products that have changed the game for my hair. For the longest time, I would air dry my hair. Let me tell you, air drying your hair is not for the faint of heart. It takes so long. Really, there were times where I was just like, this just feels like I would go into a professional setting and I'd feel like, this just feels so unprofessional that my hair is wet, but I never could find a dryer that just felt like didn't make my hair look poofy and didn't make it look bad, whatever. And so for Christmas this year, I said the one thing I want is I want a Dyson hairdryer. So my wish was granted, and for Christmas, I got this beauty. I love it so much. The Dyson products are not cheap. This by itself, it comes with 3 attachments. I use the diffuser, I think was almost $400, which I would never spend $400 on a hairdryer on my own, ever. Granted, you know, if someone's asking me what I want for Christmas and it's the only present I want, then like that's something. But I was so surprised, and I am so blessed that I have wonderful parents who gifted this to me for Christmas, because this has been the ultimate game changer. What I do is I get out of the shower, I'll put all the product in I want, and then I use this with the diffuser, and this is what we get. I mean, I swear it has brought my natural curls out like nothing I've used before. I will say, my only, and this isn't even really a complaint, it's just a personal thing I have, it can get so hot. I keep it on the lowest heat setting, and sometimes it's like a little too hot and I'll put it on cold. And what I just love about this hairdryer, it is so powerful. My sister used it over Christmas, and she has very straight hair, and she just used it to blow dry her hair. And she came out and she was like, oh my gosh, that might be the most powerful hairdryer I've ever used. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear just how loud and powerful it is. Let's turn it on. Yeah, I love it. So this might just be the ultimate best top product of 2020 right here, and it's only February 3rd, but I feel like I'm saying this about every single thing, game changer. My final product to share with you, and this product I wanted to save for the very end, partly because I did not believe the hype for the longest time. I saw videos on it, I saw reviews on it, I saw Instagram people like trying to, you know, post about it and ads and all of the above, and I was like, I still don't believe it. Okay guys, so the last product of today's video is the Revlon One Step Volumizer and Blow Dryer Brush. I think that's the correct name. It is a huge round brush that is also a blow dryer. As you guys can tell, have very curly hair. Every time I wanted like, you know, really like luscious, voluminous, straight hair, would go get a blowout. And once you get a blowout a few times and you start racking up the cost of that, you're like, dear Lord, that is expensive. And so, like I said, saw so many reviews for this thing, and as soon as it went down in price, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna see what it's like. I'll just see if it's really up to par with what everyone's saying. I am gonna attach a photo, put it right here, what my hair looks like after using this product. Compared with my natural curls, that is what it looks like. I did not use a straightening iron once. All I do is I just roll it while I'm blow drying it and roll out each hair a couple times, and it looks like I went to a salon. That is no exaggeration. I do know there are a lot of videos on YouTube about this brush, and like I said, I just didn't believe the hype until I used it myself. And if like I can't convince you and the other YouTubers can't convince you, just know that on Amazon, this product alone has over 20,000 4 to 5 star reviews. Like, what? Run, don't walk, go get this right now. Okay guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you loved these products. Clearly, I'm very passionate about them. I am going to have all of these products linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be kind to each other, and as always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!